Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change door lights on your Infiniti Q50. To begin, gather your essential tools. You will primarily need a plastic pry tool, which is crucial for safely removing components without causing damage. A small, flathead screwdriver will also be useful for carefully unlatching the electrical connector. Remember to have a soft cloth ready. This will protect your door panel from any accidental marks as you work, ensuring a smooth and careful process for your vehicle. Safety is paramount when working with your vehicle's electrical system, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car battery. Use a 10mm wrench for this step, as it prevents any accidental short circuits or electrical shocks during the light replacement. Once the battery is disconnected, you are ready to proceed to the interior. Place a soft, clean towel over the bottom edge of your door panel. This simple action protects the trim from any potential scratches or scuffs as you work, ensuring your car remains pristine. Now let's remove the old door light. Locate the small light unit at the very bottom edge of your door panel. Take your plastic pry tool and gently insert its thin edge into the seam where the light housing meets the door. With a slight, upward motion, apply consistent, gentle pressure to pop the unit free from its clips. It usually takes just a second. Once it is slightly out, carefully disconnect the 2-pin electrical connector by pressing its small tab, freeing the old light completely. Installing your new door light is straightforward. First, take your new light unit and carefully connect its 2-pin plug to the vehicle's existing electrical connector. Listen for a distinct click to ensure it is fully seated. Next, orient the new light so it aligns perfectly with the opening on your door panel. Apply gentle, even pressure to the light, pushing it firmly into place. You should hear it click securely, indicating that all the retaining clips have engaged, and it sits flush with the panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.